Hello everyone. Now in this video we will be making our first floor. So let's turn off this roof layer, like 3D slab. So difference between our ground floor and our first floor is this portion. In our first floor, this space, this parking area will be our open veranda. So this is like the main difference. There are nothing other. Our bedroom and other segments will be the same. So first, what do we do? First, we will make a copy of everything and place it somewhere here. We don't need them, so delete them. Now we will work here. So we need to remove these walls, as you can see. So how to do that? You can do by your own method, but here we will use some command. Like first we will use slice command. By slicing, we will just slicing like from this alignment, and then we will using press pull, we will pull this wall to this point. Okay, let's start. First take slice command, that is SL. Choose the object. Now give the direction of slicing. Now as you can see, this portion has been separated from this. So just select this and erase like this. Now we need some minor improvements. Like this wall should be stopped here. So to do that, take press pull command and take this one. Okay, as you can see, it has been created. Here also we don't need them, so click here. Also another thing, as this is our open veranda, so we need a door to enter. So our door will be here in this wall. So to do that, we will go to our main zero layer. So turn off our wall layer. And also the door, this door layer, this charges, 3D charges. Okay, now again we will make a rectangle here. So just take that one and sorry, we made a mistake. Delete this, take rectangle command again. Like this. Now copy this. Don't need them, so we have to put this in here. So first rotate it, then move it in here. Okay, now we will extrude this. We will extrude this 6 feet 6 inches like this. Now turn on every layer we have turned off. Wall, doors, judges, everything. Now we need to subtract this. Take subtract command, select object, space bar, select inside of object, space bar again. Okay, we made some mistake. Take subtract command again, select the object, press space bar, select this inside object, spacebar. As you can see, our door opening has been created. Now we need to move this door, or not move, we need to copy this door from here to here. So to do that, we will again turn off our wall layer like this, and also these chargers will block like this. Okay, now select everything in this door and then copy it, paste it here. We need to rotate this, so to use rotate, we will use rotate gizmo, and like this is rotated. Now we will turn on our wall layer again and put this in here. So just select everything, move, select this point to this point. Okay, as you can see, our door for our veranda has been created. Okay, now we need to make our some designs here for our veranda. So to do that, okay, we don't need these lines in our first floor plan, so we will delete these lines. Actually these are on 2D layers, so we can erase them later also. Also in our first floor there will not be any kind of column here, and this door will not be here. So also we need to delete this door. We need to delete this 2D wall, 2D lines that we have created for making this door. Sorry. Select everything. Actually these are on 0 layer, so when we will finish our drawing we can delete this, we can erase this by deleting our layer easily. But now we don't need this opening, so we will press pull it, click here and join it here. So as you can see, we made some mistakes. Actually there are a little bit of gap, so actually we will do it again. So take press pull command, click here, and now it has been created.